Have you ever pondered the stark differences between mountain zebras and Angolan giraffes? Yes, you heard it right. Today, we're setting off on an exciting journey. A journey that takes us to the highlands of Africa where the mountain zebras roam, then down to the plains where the Angolan giraffes stretch their long necks to reach the tallest trees. Two diverse creatures, each with their unique charm and characteristics, yet sharing the same breathtaking landscapes. From the striped elegance of the zebras to the towering grace of the giraffes, each species holds a fascinating place in the grand tapestry of African wildlife. But how much do we truly know about them? How do they live? What sets them apart from each other? And perhaps most importantly, what can their unique lifestyles and adaptations teach us about the wonders of nature and the importance of conservation? Join us as we delve into the intriguing lives of these two remarkable creatures. Mountain zebras, a unique species with intriguing features. These creatures are a sight to behold, fascinating us with their beauty and strength. Found primarily in South Africa, these zebras are a marvel of nature's creativity. Mountain zebras are compact and robust, typically standing about 4.5 feet at the shoulder. Their body is covered with a pattern of black and white stripes, unique to each individual, much like the human fingerprint. This striking pattern is not just for show, it plays a vital role in their survival, helping them camouflage in the wild and confusing predators. The mountain zebra's diet is as interesting as its appearance. They are primarily grazers, feeding on a variety of grasses. However, when grass is scarce, they can adapt to eat shrubs, leaves, and bark. One of the most distinctive features of the mountain zebra is the dewlap, a flap of skin hanging from the neck or throat. This feature is unique to this species and is not found in other types of zebras. The dewlap is thought to have a number of functions, including regulating body temperature and signaling maturity. Another unique trait is their social structure. Mountain zebras live in small family groups, usually consisting of one stallion, several mares, and their foals. These family units are tight-knit, and members show strong bonds, often seen grooming each other as a sign of affection and unity. Mountain zebras are also known for their agility and stamina. They are excellent climbers, capable of traversing steep and rocky terrain. This ability, coupled with their keen sense of direction, makes them adept survivors in their mountainous habitats. In a world filled with diverse creatures, the mountain zebra stands out. Its physical attributes, adaptability, and social behavior paint a picture of a well-adapted, resilient creature. It's a reminder that each species, no matter how seemingly ordinary, carries unique traits that make it special. Armed with these traits, mountain zebras stand as a testament to the beauty of nature. Angolan giraffes, the graceful giants of the African savannah. With their towering stature and beautifully patterned coats, Angolan giraffes are a sight to behold. Standing at heights of up to 18 feet for males and slightly shorter for females, these giraffes are among the tallest terrestrial animals on Earth. Their long necks, which surprisingly contain the same number of vertebrae as humans, 7, allow them to reach the lush foliage of the acacia trees, their primary food source. Their coat is a work of art, characterized by large, irregular patches of chestnut brown separated by lighter channels. This unique pattern not only distinguishes them from other giraffe subspecies, but also serves as a fantastic camouflage, protecting them from predators in the wild. Speaking of food, Angolan giraffes are ruminants, much like cows. They have a 4-chambered stomach that allows them to digest the tough plant material they consume. Their diet mainly consists of leaves, fruits, and flowers, with a particular fondness for the aforementioned acacia trees. The acacia's thorns are no match for the giraffe's long, prehensile tongue and tough palate. But it's not just their physical attributes that set Angolan giraffes apart. These creatures have a unique social structure as well. Unlike many herd animals, giraffes do not have a specific group leader. Instead, they form loose associations, with members freely moving between groups. Additionally, Angolan giraffes are known for their necking behavior. This is not an affectionate gesture, as the name might suggest, but rather a form of combat between males to establish dominance. They swing their necks and heads like hammers at their opponents, a sight that is as intriguing as it is intense. Their elegant stature and unique traits make Angolan giraffes a fascinating species to study. As we continue our journey, we'll explore the habitats of these towering giants and their zebra counterparts. So, Stay tuned to take a deeper dive into the lives of these incredible African mammals. Habitats, the crucial factors that shape the lives of these creatures. Let's take a journey into the homes of our two subjects, the mountain zebra and the Angolan giraffe. The habitats of these two species are as diverse as their physical characteristics, each perfectly suited to their unique needs and lifestyles. The mountain zebra, as the name suggests, resides in the mountainous and hilly terrains of southwestern Africa. These zebras prefer the harsh environment of the mountains where they have access to fresh water and a plethora of vegetation. The rocky slopes provide a natural barrier against predators, and the cooler climates at high altitudes are a comfortable respite from the scorching African heat. The mountain zebras have adapted to this rugged habitat, developing hard hooves to navigate the rocky terrain and a keen sense of direction to traverse the steep slopes. On the other hand, the Angolan giraffe, also known as the Namibian giraffe, makes its home in the arid plains and savannas of northern Namibia. Their habitat is marked by sparse vegetation interspersed with acacia trees, their primary food source. The flat, open landscapes are ideal for these towering creatures, providing them with a panoramic view of their surroundings, helping them spot predators from a distance. The Angolan giraffes have evolved to survive in this harsh, dry climate, with their long necks enabling them to reach the high branches of acacia trees and their tough tongues allowing them to eat the thorny leaves without injury. The habitats of the mountain zebras and the Angolan giraffes are vastly different, each presenting its own set of challenges and advantages. Yet, both species have evolved and adapted in remarkable ways to not just survive but to thrive in their respective environments. The mountain zebras, with their hardy hooves and sharp instincts, navigate the rugged terrains with ease, while the Angolan giraffes, with their towering stature and tough tongues, rule the arid plains of Namibia. Despite the vast differences in their habitats, both species have adapted remarkably to thrive in their respective environments. Behavior, a reflection of the survival strategies of these species. Now let's dive into the fascinating world of mountain zebras and Angolan giraffes and explore their unique behaviors. Mountain zebras, unlike their plains cousins, are social animals that live in the small, tight-knit groups. Each group, known as a harem, typically consists of one stallion, several mares, and their offspring. The stallion is the protector, fiercely defending his group from predators and rival stallions. The mares, on the other hand, share the responsibility of raising the young. The mating habits of mountain zebras are intriguing as well. Stallions will often fight for control of a harem, with the victor earning the right to mate. The gestation period lasts about a year, with a single foal born each time. Foals can stand and run within an hour of birth, a vital survival strategy in the wild. Let's contrast this with the behaviors of the Angolan giraffes. These towering creatures are also social, but their groups, called towers, are much less structured. They are fluid, with members freely moving between different towers. This flexibility allows them to adapt to changes in their environment, such as shifts in food availability or threats from predators. Angolan giraffes have a unique mating ritual, where the male tastes the female's urine to detect if she is an estrus, a state of fertility. Once confirmed, the male will court the female, leading to mating. The gestation period for giraffes is quite long, about 15 months, resulting in the birth of a single calf. Similar to zebras, giraffe calves are also up and running shortly after birth. Both mountain zebras and Angolan giraffes show remarkable survival strategies. Zebras with their tight social structure and quick-to-learn foals, and giraffes with their fluid social dynamics and long gestation period, each have evolved unique ways to thrive in the wild. Through their behaviors, we witness the complex and captivating lives of these species. Mountain zebras and Angolan giraffes, two distinct species with fascinating stories. We've journeyed through the rugged terrains and vast savannas, discovering the unique attributes that define these remarkable creatures. The mountain zebra, armored in its distinctive black and white coat, navigates the rocky landscapes with agility and precision, while the Angolan giraffe, with its intricate pattern and towering stature, grazes the treetops of the African plains. Their habitats, as diverse as their physical traits, play a pivotal role in their survival strategies and social structures. The mountain zebras, living in rugged, mountainous areas, exhibit strong social bonds and protective behaviors. Conversely, the Angolan giraffes, inhabitants of the open savanna, lead solitary lives, each individual wandering in its own rhythm. These comparisons reveal the vast spectrum of life strategies among Earth's creatures. Each species, equipped with its unique set of traits and behaviors, contributes to the intricate web of life. In understanding these creatures, we gain a deeper appreciation